What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to translate PDF in any language. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to get your PDF file that you wanted to translate ready. And after that you're gonna search for Drive on Google. And then you're gonna press here. And after that you're gonna press on Go to Drive. So basically it's gonna move you to your Drive. If you don't have a Google account, you have to create one to be able to get access to that drive. And then you're gonna press up here and you're gonna press on File Upload. And then you're gonna go to the PDF that you wanted to translate and press Open. And then you're gonna see that it got uploaded and you press on it. And then you press on Open with Google Document. And then you're gonna press on Tools. And you're gonna press on Translate Document, and then it's gonna ask you which language you wanted to translate it to. So let's say, for example, German. And if you want to name it any different names, that's fine. And then you're gonna press on Translate. And there you go, it has been translated successfully. And then if you wanted to download it, you're gonna press on File, and then you're gonna press on Download, and then you're gonna press on Download as a PDF document. And yeah, that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.